DJI Mini 5 is expected to be the next most anticipated drone from the company, and the hype for this compact yet powerful drone never seems to end. The DJI now offers an even more compact palm-sized flyer called the Neo. It is more like a personal vlogging drone that can capture your daily commuting adventures. Whereas, if you want to fly higher and experience the actual essence of aerial photography, DJI Mini series is the way to go. In our video today, we will have a brief discussion about the upcoming DJI Mini 5, its expected features, and when DJI might launch it. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. DJI fans expect to see some groundbreaking upgrades with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 series, but the reality is that DJI can't really pull off many significant upgrades with the Mini 5, and let me explain why. Well, whether it's a larger sensor or a bigger battery capacity, both would force DJI to break the 250 grams weight limit. And we all know DJI Mini drones are mostly popular for being under 250 grams, as it does not require any FAA license to fly in the US. So it looks like the main selling point of the DJI Mini series is turning out to be the biggest barrier for itself. But this won't stop DJI from breaking the limits without making the DJI Mini 5 heavier than 250 grams. We can expect quite a few upgrades that would enhance the overall flying experience, and it has to start with the camera. Based on some popular drone forums, many drone enthusiasts believe that the upcoming Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch larger sensor, which will surely be a major upgrade compared to the current first 3-inch sensor from the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor will significantly improve the overall image quality and offer sharper details. You will also be able to capture great landscapes even in low light conditions, as the larger sensor will have more space for light. While many drone enthusiasts may be hoping for an increase in resolution with the upcoming DJI Mini 5, it's unlikely that we will see a significant change in this area. DJI has historically prioritized other features such as image quality improvements, sensor size, and flight performance over boosting resolution. The current Mini 4 Pro already offers a solid resolution for its class, and increasing it may not be necessary given the drone's lightweight design constraints, particularly to stay under the 250 grams limit. In terms of the release date, DJI follows a fairly predictable product cycle for its Mini series, typically releasing new models about a year apart. For example, the Mini 4 Pro was launched roughly a year after the Mini 3 Pro, which suggests that the Mini 5 will likely follow a similar timeline. Based on current industry speculation and leaks, DJI is expected to announce the Mini 5 sometime around November 2024. This would align with DJI's usual pattern of releasing new drones in the fall, giving them time to fine-tune the product during the preceding year of research and development. Thus, while the Mini 5 might not offer a resolution upgrade, it will likely introduce other improvements such as enhanced camera performance and flight features, making it a much-anticipated release for drone enthusiasts. But we do have some more expectations from the upcoming Mini 5 Pro. The AI tracking needs to be better so that it can track running vehicles more accurately and for longer periods of time. Also, the inclusion of 5G connectivity is a much-needed upgrade for better control of the drone and high-resolution live transmission. Apart from these, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more likely to have an incremental upgrade over its predecessor. And the bigger sensor, with better dynamic range and low-light performance, along with the current 40 minutes of flight time, would make it an overall perfect beginner drone for sure. What are your expectations for the DJI Mini 5? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.